Hey guys, what's up? So today gusto ko bigyan ng milk tea inspired preset. So una natin patagalin. Let's start. Okay, reset natin guys. Ayan. So first, adjust tayo.
We're still staring at the sun now. I'll find peace when I'm on the ground. We've seen the worst in this life, so go on, we're in line. Sometimes I can handle this alright.
Nakakamiss mag-milk tea guys, no? So ayan, magagawa tayo ng matcha fuse preset. Guys, anong favorite milk tea nyo? Comment nyo lang. And palitawan natin yung green guys. Medyo may pagka-film look to guys, pero yan talaga. Favorite ko talaga yung ganyang tone ng kulay.
This is all I have to remind me of you. I don't wanna forget, I just wanna begin again. Forget the words I said, I just wanna start brand new. I don't wanna pretend, gotta get it through your head. Don't wanna waste time, so don't go feed me a lie. So tell me the truth, tell me the truth.
so ayan guys, fast preset tutorial lang tayo. So ayan, so pwede nyo nang i-download yung DNG nito guys in the description below. So enjoy, God bless.
I get up, I get up, can't deny it. I get up,